Alright, so you did the farming, you did the harvesting, so now it's time to play the games. There are 3 games you can play on Pulsar, but if all you have is GPUL to start with, well, you gotta play Bounty Hunter. It's pretty much the first game that everybody plays in order to get that sweet GBNT. So first thing you have to do is buy yourself a hunter. You need to choose a tier that fits your budget. There are 3 tiers you can choose from, and basically with the lower tiers, you pay less and the rewards are smaller. In the higher tier, you pay more and the rewards are bigger, but no matter what tier you choose, they all have the same odds and rewards ratio, and you can have a hunter in each tier if you want, just not at the same time, only one alive at a time, but the game will remember each tier's stats separately. Once you have your hunter, you are ready to play the first mission, which is called Eradicate the Bugs, and I'm gonna try to play this game right now with my 50x hunter that I just bought. This is my first time with that tier, so I'm starting at level 1, and there you go, mission in progress. And you don't have a hunter, well that sums it up. The outcome I just got for my first mission is critical failure. It's one of the 4 possible outcomes for every mission, and basically critical failure is the only outcome you don't want. When you get critical failure, whatever the mission cost, you just lost that money. That's no good. What you want is any of the 3 other outcomes. You get great success, which is the best, which is double what you paid for in GPUL in GBNT. You got success, which is the equal amount of GPUL that you receive in GBNT as a reward, or mediocre success, which is half, but still, depending on the price of GPUL versus GBNT, should get you about even. That means no profit, but no loss. So all things considered, not too bad. And this is what I like the most about Bounty Hunter, basically, is that the odds are in favor of the player. You're not supposed to lose constantly. It does happen. I've played a lot of games and it definitely does happen. I think I have the record for the worst streak of all time on Bounty Hunter. I lost something like 17 critical failure out of 22 missions. I think I hold the record for the worst. And I can tell you with assurance that it's still very profitable in the long term. Sooner or later, the law of averages will bring you to profit, from my experience. Let's play another one. Now, I'm not gonna read the stories to you because I don't want to spoil them in case you haven't read them before, but they're really cool. And here's a fun fact. Nox, who's the founder of Polypulsar, is actually the one who wrote all these stories by himself, which is quite funny, I think. Quite impressive. And that second mission was a mediocre success, which is not ideal, but still a lot better than critical failure. Let's play one more. All right, better result this time. I got success. I'm now on a roll. I won 2 in a row. I'm now at level 2. So how this works basically is, depending on the type of success you get a certain amount of XP, and by gaining XP, you soon gain level, and by gaining levels, you get better odds of getting better outcomes for each mission. Here, come on, man, show me what you got. Unfortunately, imagine, oh, that's not too bad. All right, another success. I'm on a roll. 3 in a row, I'm not dying anymore. This is good. I'm in profits now, definitely in profit. Here, missions completed is 3, and I'm more than halfway to level 3. This is good. All right, apparently I don't have a hunter anymore, which is not a good sign. Guessing that means he died somehow, right? Yeah, he did. So when your hunter dies, you lose 6% of the total amount of XP your hunter has, and you have to buy yourself a new hunter. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. And once that's done, I can continue playing like nothing ever happened with a new hunter. Brand new. Oh, this is good. This is good. Hell yeah, that's a great success. That is so good. This is, how much is it? It costs 250 GPUL to play the mission, and I receive 500 GBNT in return. So considering the prices right now, this is very good, man. All right, so I've been playing a couple more games and I've been doing pretty good actually. As you can see, I'm now at level 6, almost level 7. I'm having a 4-win streak right now, and things are looking very good for me. Let's play one last mission, see how this one goes. Oh crap, I died. Oh, that's not good. But that's not too bad. I'm actually still at level 7, so it's going pretty well. I just want to show you guys my hunter, which is the biggest tier, the 100X. And currently, right now, I'm at level 83, which sounds good, but a couple hours ago, I was actually at level 100. I kept playing because it's such a great way to swap the GPUL that you harvest from farming into GBNT without paying the taxes from swapping. So as you can see, I've played close to 1200 missions. I've had a success rate of around 65%. I'm not using a calculator right now. I think it's about 65%, and it's pretty good. It's pretty much what it's supposed to be. Let me just show you the actual odds for Bounty Hunter. Once you've played a couple of games, well, congratulations, you have helped the entire ecosystem of the project by burning your GPUL, and you are now in possession of some very valuable GBNT, which you then can use to play one of two games. The first one, which is Pulsarina.